Hey there, welcome. Thank you for being here. I am Marina Ormes here with your Astro Vibe for Friday, November 4th. Our topic for today is making your dreams come true, and how to make your dreams come true. And we're focusing on that because of where the moon is. As always, I love just the guidance that where the moon is in its cycle can bring us and give us a specific quality and focus to each day. And of course, the other planets are doing that as well. They just don't move as quickly. So they're more or less the same for a period of time, whereas the moon gives us this new infusion of different feeling, a different vibe each day. And so we've had the moon in Pisces since Wednesday afternoon. And I've been talking in the last couple of videos about how to work with Pisces energy, which is very spiritual, good time to surrender, to let go, to surrender control, and allow and trust in the universe supporting you, the currents of the river, of the ocean, carrying you to where you need to be. And so continuing to flow with the things you have put in motion and allowing them to carry you to the things you have put in motion and manifest them. So how to make your dreams come true is our focus for today, in part because the moon is passing by a couple of planets that are in Pisces. So it's passing by Neptune. Let's see. So actually, so early in the morning, the moon is passing by Neptune. Might even be last night. I'm just looking at it's about 2 a.m. my time. And I'm on Pacific time. And then later in the day, the moon, so moon passing by Neptune, bringing up Neptune is the god of the ocean, right? It's the transcendence in the sign, the planet of transcendence in the sign of spirituality, and it's vast and it's big. And then we also have right now Jupiter in Pisces, also bringing our sense of beliefs and meaning into also this sign of transcendence and oneness and vast ocean of being. And so this afternoon, the moon will be passing by Jupiter, and then it will be going into Aries, which is the sign of rebirth. So the late Pisces energy, the moon moving through that, is the dream before we wake up. It is the way that our imagination, spirit, it's the surrender, it's the letting go, it's the allowing, it's the infusion of spiritual energy. And that surrender, that letting go, is a necessary step in preparation for moving into the Aries rebirth. It can be birth, it can be rebirth. Aries has the energy of action, of movement, of life force energy. And so it is, Aries is that new beginning. It's the embodiment of our new selves and the beginning of new things. And so what is about to begin is infused with the energy of dreams and imagination that we do while the moon is in Pisces. So that is that's the focus, is and the best way to make your dreams come true is by letting yourself dream. So use this Pisces energy to imagine, to open your heart, to feel things in your body the way things feel really good when you have the things you want, to remember that spirit and divine energy is there in its infinite potential, in its infinite expression of truth, And the way that that truth and that goodness comes through us, right? God means good. The way that that comes through us is a mystery. We're these human beings in these little bodies, and the flow of spiritual energy that comes through us. So it's the ways that we stop that. It's the ways that we get in the way. Our egos want to have control. Our fears want to stop ourselves from having bad things happen, and so we get in the way of this flow of infinite energy and infinite potential. So, I mean, we're not going to solve all of that in one day, but it's a great day to focus on opening your heart a little bit, and opening to your dreams, opening to your imagination, and to letting the flow move through you. So noticing maybe where you get in the way, where you have fears come up, where you stop yourself, any of the ways that you shrink or feel small or constrict. And just breathing a little spaciousness into those, and reminding yourself, it's okay to trust, and I can surrender, and I can allow this to flow, because it's not about me. It's about this bigger picture of spiritual energy that is flowing through me, and how that is wanting to come in and come through. And then as the moon goes into Aries, and we start our new things, new projects, new ways of being, new habits, whatever it is, we bring that infusion of life force energy that says, yes, I'm here, I'm in a body, I'm ready to do things, I'm ready to take risks and try things and take action and move in the ways that I can be empowered to do so. And so as we prepare for that birth, life force, action, energy, we can infuse it with this deeper place of surrender, connection to spirit, allowing and getting, just getting out of our own way in whatever ways that shows up for you. Again, it's not about perfection. It's not about solving all the problems of the world right now in this moment, which, there's infinite possibility, and maybe that will happen. But be kind to yourself, be patient, and allow what is flowing through you to heal you, to allow you to be more embodied, more of your spirit in your body, more ability to be you truthfully and authentically in your vulnerability, in your wholeness, and in all you're capable of doing. So that's kind of, sometimes I have 3 steps, right? Today it's more about just trusting this energy of the Pisces spirit, the way that spirit and opening your heart can infuse what is beginning as the moon goes into Aries, with possibility, with power, with potential, and with being able to be more aligned and more effective, because you've done this work to dream and imagine what you want to create. So it's all a process. It's all part of the cycle. We have a waxing moon that is heading toward full, and we're past now the first quarter. So the moon is heading toward its opposition with the sun. It's heading toward the planet Uranus. It's heading toward the full moon and lunar eclipse in Taurus that's coming next week. So really potent time. So really important, in other words, what it is, what kinds of energy you're putting into it. And that doesn't mean it's bad if you have, if you're dealing with stuff, right? You might have some emotions to process, some things that don't feel so good. Just let yourself be in the moment, let it flow, let it move through you, because there is a bigger wisdom. And that's what the spiritual energy of Pisces is telling us. Trust that bigger wisdom, and give yourself all the support and intentions to be your most powerful self. So as the moon goes into Aries, you are going to be reborn. What will you be reborn into? Thank you so much for being here. I'm Marina Ormes. You can learn more about me at astrologyheals.com. Thank you for subscribing to this YouTube channel. If you haven't yet, hit the subscribe button because it really helps me and supports my work. And thank you for being here. I'll see you next time. Bye for now.